double team. Forced to give it up.
Oh.
J. Smith.
Jumper is good.
Thompson. Outside. Shepard.
Dipinsa. Sus, may gali. Budoy-budoy. Wala na anuan. Gilang. Lamang patag 5. 1 minute and 22 segundos. So, overtime na niya.
They got Jokic.
Igaw sa Jokic.
Sengun. Driving. Got to the rack. Counted.
Sus, naan-1 pa. Ilang, dipinsa. Wala na yung overtime outro. Wala na. Nice. That's it. Survive ang Nuggets against Houston. 1-5, 1-8. What a big win by Nuggets.